Welcome to Chapter 5, String Series Methods. So this is a big new topic here. We're going to start looking at series containing strings and not numbers. So all the previous chapters in this part have focused on series that contain either integers, floats, or Boolean. In this chapter, we're going to focus on these series that contain strings. So as you know, the columns that contain strings by default when read in using like the read CSVs function are going to be read in as the object data type. So here, let's go ahead and read in the employee data set, the Houston employee data set, and then select the department column. You'll see that the data type is object. Now there is a new string data type. This is just not the default, but all of these methods will work for that. So if you do have a string data type, it will also produce the same result. All right, so what I first want to cover is that these string methods, you can call these same methods as we did before, like on our numeric series with strings, but some of them will not work. For instance, if we try to take the mean of a series of strings, this doesn't really make any sense. You're going to get this huge error over here, and it just doesn't work. Same thing for like the median. It doesn't work. It needs to be a numeric. Now, other methods, other aggregation methods do work, such as min and max. So there is a maximum value. This is the highest string value. There is a minimum value. So not all of the aggregation methods will work. So even though they are available, you can call them. Some of them will produce errors. So for instance, string columns do have the ability to have, or these object columns or string columns, they can have missing values. So you can call isNA. We can see if there's any here. So there are actually no missing values in this one. But that's all I wanted to show here is that you can call all of those other methods that we talked about in the other notebooks, n largest, get the 5 largest. This is something that, it doesn't work, with it's looking for a number, not strings. So there's all those methods are available, just not all of them will work.